Hey y'all, this is Quita with the Quitassential Life, and I am making a one-pot meal chicken and rice in my Ninja Foodie. I'm jumping in after I've completed it to introduce what I'm doing, as well as getting you to stay tuned to the end for how to deal with the leftovers to still make them taste great. So, hold on. We're going to jump right into making the chicken and rice in my Ninja Foodie. Okay, so these are my ingredients here in my Ninja Foodie. I have sour cream, oregano, lemon pepper, some golden mushroom soup, and there's some cinnamon, and there's the golden mushroom soup, and then I have 2.5 cups of rice, garlic, as well as the cherry tomatoes, and a little bit of tomato paste I'm going to use. So here is my chicken. It is frozen, and you also see I rough chopped some onions and carrots. So working on the chicken, I'm putting the frozen chicken in the little basket for the Ninja Foodie, and I'm just putting 2 seasonings on. Old Bay, I love Old Bay on chicken, and lemon pepper, so that I can cook these frozen thighs, skinless thighs, in my Ninja Foodie. That's going to create some serious stock. So, and I saved that later on. So you see the Ninja Foodie bowl, adding some water in. You have to have water in the Ninja Foodie when you're using it. Then putting my basket of chicken in, and getting the pressure lid, setting that on seal, and then we're going to set our Ninja Foodie, turn it on, hit pressure, always on high, and then you hit how many minutes. Okay, so we're back to see what our chicken looks like. So not bad. Cooked. I set that for 10 minutes, and you remember I only put a little bit of water at the bottom, about 1/2 cup, 2/3 of a cup, and then look how much liquid I have from that chicken, the chicken thighs, which I am putting in a measuring cup to save for later on in the recipe. Okay, that was a good 2 cups. So now I am going to add a little olive oil into the same pan, so that I can saute my garlic, tomatoes, and I did throw my carrots in there. Now I'm throwing in the rice because I want to toast my rice a little bit, so each grain is coated with a little bit of that oil. That helps it come out to be even more fluffy. Now I'm seasoning this with oregano first. Sorry y'all, I'm one hand cooking and filming. That's the little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of tomato paste. Stir that all in together. And it's still on sear, so it's still, helping to meld the flavors together. Now we are starting our layering process, putting my carrots on top of that. Getting them all in there. Trying to spread them out evenly. And now I'm just going to take my chicken and dump it all in there. Those are skinless chicken thighs. I put 6 in there and I could have easily put 8, so I know that for next time. Just spreading that around evenly. It'll break up as it's cooking. Now I have added the sour cream and the golden mushroom soup. As you can see, and I'm adding in my stock that I got from cooking the chicken earlier. So that was quite a bit. I think it might have been more than 2 cups. And then just zhuzhing it around to get it incorporated. And we are putting our pressure cooker lid on again. And really all it needs to cook is the rice and soften up the carrots a bit. So I'm turning it on, setting it to pressure, and I'm deciding what to cook it on, but then especially because it's just the rice, what do I want to put it on to check and see if I need to cook it some more. And I put it on 8 minutes. And we'll check it at that point. See where we are. So we are getting up to pressure. So the 8 minutes has passed. I am looking at what we got. It's looking good. It's smelling good. So I am just mixing our ingredients together. You can see the chicken, the onions, the carrots, and all that goodness. Rice. We're looking pretty good. But I need to test it to make sure it is where we need it to be. Just making sure everything's incorporated and mixed well. So we are doing a little taste test to see where we are. Doesn't that look good? It is very good, you guys. It's good, tender, everything looks good, tastes good. I can taste all of my ingredients, all of the goodness, the seasoning. So my dinner is ready. Dipped out a little bit of my leftovers and some tomatoes, chicken pieces, all good stuff. So I'm making myself a portion and want to show you what I do to just make it still scrumptious. Okay? I take some peanut butter. Come on, and I just had to do that for you, so pour a little bit in there. And then, because I'm going to microwave this, I'm going to get on the side. You know, it already has all wonderful seasoning in it before, but now it's in the refrigerator. And I find that this peps up the taste just a little when you microwave it. So this is a little poultry seasoning, just a little. You don't have to do a lot. And I got cheese. So I've got some Parmesan cheese here. And I'm gonna spread that and sprinkle that. And it's not too much of y'all, but okay. Then we're gonna microwave it and we're gonna taste it. Hold on. So this is our leftovers out the microwave, 2 minutes. Remember, we had a little poultry seasoning, a little spice, a little evaporated milk, and some Parmesan cheese. So we are going to see wonderful tomatoes, and that's just like the first flavor. Chicken, tomato. That is really good. It's a little creamy. Rice perfectly done. Great way to just beef up your leftovers. Instead of sprinkling water to make this steam in the microwave, I just did this in the microwave with those few little soft shakes of seasoning, and that's what I got. It's great. Good. We need to try it one more time. See that? I just love the fresh burst of the tomato in your bite. So this is how I do my leftovers. Just a little touch of this and that, depending on what it is. A little evaporated milk. And sorry y'all, I'm chilling, it was good. There you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, subscribe to my channel, and I am so appreciative of what you do, coming and visiting me and sharing. It means a lot to me that you spend time with me looking at my videos. Okay, so this is Quita with the Quitassential Life. Thank you for joining me. As always, I appreciate all the time you give me into my channel. Please like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to come back. There's lots of stuff coming. Leave a comment, any questions you have, or other things you'd like to see me working on, cooking on in my Ninja Foodie, or other things. And check out my channel. There are lots of good things there under my playlist. So, thank you. Appreciate it. Bye, y'all.